When it comes to communication and safety solutions, not all providers are created equal. At Eastern DataComm, we set ourselves apart by offering integrated, customized systems designed for real-world challenges. Unlike traditional vendors who sell standalone products, we take a consultative approach, evaluating your needs, designing tailored solutions, and ensuring seamless integration across platforms. We specialize in unifying communication channels to create fast, effective, and reliable systems that eliminate human error and confusion during critical moments. By providing right-fit tech solutions like VoIP phone systems, mass notification solutions, access control and video surveillance, environmental sensors, intercom, paging, bell, and clock technologies, and cellular repeaters, we help the organizations we serve improve communication, enhance safety, and streamline operations for a more connected and efficient environment. Eastern DataComm, keeping communities connected and protected since 1988.